Assalamu alaikum and welcome back, guys. I'm here with a new video. In this video I will be showing you how to make an appointment for Umrah using an app known as Itmarna app. Currently this app is available only in iPhone. For Android phones still we have to wait. I think it will be very soon. So now directly, without wasting any time, we will jump to the main topic, which I'm gonna show you how we can make an appointment through this app known as Itmarna app. In your iPhone, open your search engine and type Itmarna, and then you should download the app. The app is free. The app is downloaded. Now open the app. Now you're on the main screen. Here you can select the language English and Arabic. Downloaded now. Open this app known as Itmarna. So we are on the welcome page. Here there are language selection, English and Arabic. I'll choose English. Apply. From this app you can issue permit for Umrah, and you can issue a permit to pray in Rawda, that is you can pray in Riyazul Jannah in Medina, Masjid al-Nabawi, and issuing pray permit, that is you can pray in Masjid al-Haram. So there are two options, login and new user. I'll show the options of new user. Before proceeding further, you should confirm that you have already registered in Tawakkal app. That is one more app from Ministry of Health. You should be registering there first, and then only you can log in this app. So I have already registered, so I'll proceed. This is for citizen and residents, Iqama holders. ID, Iqama number, date of birth, mobile number, password and confirm password. And the Gulf citizens and residents, their passport number, ID number, nationality. If I click nationality, there are four options: Bahrain, UAE, Oman, Kuwait. There is no Qatar. So these are all details what you need to fill. And there is one more option, that is external mutamer, people coming from other countries. So they need to fill their passport, date of birth, nationality, email and password, all those things. So I'll go to citizen and resident. So I have already registered this one, so directly I'll go to login page. Login. I'll put my Iqama number, password, OTP. So I received the OTP 8540. So there we go, we are logged in. Now there are four tabs below. This is service. This will give Umrah permit, Ziyarah permit and prayer in Holy Mosque. That is Masjid. Then next option is permits. These are active permits and past permits. Then we have booking. This is for booking agencies. I'll not go on this one. Then settings, you can change your language and all those things. Services, so I'll directly go for Umrah permit. This is my name, directly it's coming. Add companion, you can add your companions like your wife or your children or any other companies like other Gulf citizens or Gulf residents. Then I'll continue. Next page is for the calendar. In this page you need to select your desired date when you want to perform Umrah. This is September. I'll choose October. Okay. Then I'll choose a date. Then time slot will appear. You should note that they are providing only 3 hours to perform Umrah, so you need to select your suitable time to perform Umrah. I'll select 6 to 9 a.m. Then the assembly points location will appear. Here you need to know that you cannot go directly to Masjid al-Haram when you get the permit. You should go to the assembly point. There are 5 assembly points provided with map location: Ajiyat Center, Subeka Center, Al Gaza Center, Kudai Center and Al Shisha Center. So these are the 5 assembly points, and the Google location is also there. I'll show you the location. I'll select Kudai Center. I'll select map. So this is the location. It will show you the direction how we need to go to that assembly point. Then we need to see the instruction. The instructions are in Arabic. You can just translate from Google Translator. Then click on obligations to see the instructions. Then continue. So there we go. I got the permit. Here is the reservation number. Here is the reservation number, permit number, and this is Khudai Center boarding station. Here the date and time. So next step is to buy transportation. Service. So this service you need to buy. The transportation service is not free. Actually, you need to pay for that one. That is the amount is around 37.23 Riyal from Khudai Center. So you should know that when you reach the assembly point, they will take you in a bus, and you should perform Umrah in 3 hours and get back into the bus. Then again they will drop you at same assembly points. From there you can go to your place. So now you can pay by Visa or MasterCard or Mada card. 3 options are there. You can pay by any of one of them. So right now I'm not planning for Umrah. I'll just go back, and that's it. This is how we can get the permit. I'll go to the permits. This will show my active permits. So now I'm not planning for Umrah, just so I will cancel this permit because other guys can utilize this slot. So just I'll cancel. That's it, cancelled. So this was a simple procedure how to book an Umrah. That's it, guys. If you have any further questions or any doubts, you can just directly write in the comment section. I'll get back to you.